We're gonna be anodizing 30 rivery knives, but with a new special color. This color to me is probably one of the most realistic copper colors that I have ever seen. This is called Copper BF, and we're gonna be trying it out right now. But before we do that, look what we have here. If you know, you know. First time ever doing a camo pattern. Very, very big board. It's the first Arctic camo pattern I have ever done / attempted. And then, look at this, polished aluminum mid-piece. See, I wish I could make me a board like this. And most people would be like, oh, well, you do this for a living, you should be able to make your own board. But see, when I do my own board, it never comes out like this. It always comes out trash. Let's check that weight out. All right, so that's a little bit of what we've been doing. I'm gonna go ahead and set up better lighting over there at the dye station. That way you guys can see a lot of what's going on. If I were you, I would definitely stick in here all the way to the end. CAD Lab has something new they'd like to show you. Somebody told me that my lighting in here sucks. So I'm working on lighting. Let's fill her up. All right, so we have our copper dye out. It's crazy because this is about 18.75 grams, which for a 50-gallon, it's usually like around, you know, in the upper hundreds of grams. Kind of crazy. 18.75. This makes me think that this stuff right here is hella potent. All right, here we go. Whoa. Imagine if we could get like a painting like this, but on aluminum, like to get it to swirl like that. All right, let's cut the pump back on. If you can see, there's some like little, like built up powder, like built up powder balls right here. You can get them, you can just get them. Wash them around. They'll eventually pop on their own. I like to take a regular PVC pipe, just mix around the top. All right, guys, what we're putting in here right now is called dye buffer. This is gonna enhance the dye. I'm gonna add that in there. Guys, I'm just kidding. This is that Pablo Escobar. Straight out of Colombia. You guys already know the game with this. This is where all the sauce happens at. We're deep in there. All right, catch you in about an hour. So I already know off rip, we're gonna strike high when we test the pH. I'm gonna just put something in there that I know that will balance it out, and we'll go ahead and run a test on it right now. Okay, we're about 6.5. It's at a 5.8. It's technically good, but we want perfect. Just a little bit more. Right on the money. Here we go. Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, I hope this doesn't take forever, because low key, I have it on a low concentration. Wow, wow, wow. I would say to get a nice, a quicker color change, probably like around, to get an instant change, I would say this is 18.7 grams. I would say probably like 50 grand. I would say 50 grams to get you a color change instantly. What in the actual world? Dude, I would stop it right there. Even that's a nice color.
Light color.
I like the light colors, yeah. All right, we're gonna leave this in here for a minute. Here we go. Wow, and there's the copper, baby. So these coppers came out absolutely ridiculous. And of course, any of the chemicals that you've seen us use to get these beautiful copper pieces, they all can be purchased on our website. So go to cadlabcnc.com and just buy everything. All jokes aside, the Copper BF is on the website and can be purchased and shipped right to your door. The video's not over with yet. I still want to show you guys a little something that we're working on. My mic is dying. Love you guys. Catch you on the next one because I suck at charging these things.